How to make Spotify louder than game on PS5. So first of all, when you're in a game like so here, what you want to do is first of all press the PlayStation logo in the middle bottom part of your PlayStation 5 controller, then scroll along along the bottom there until you see the section where it says music. Spotify will be in there. You can see right here you have your Spotify, but that's not where you want to go. You just want to make sure that's on. You want to go to sound here, and then once you're in sound, you'll be able to go to the bottom where it says music, and then you can make it kind of louder just by pressing the D-pad or the left stick all the way along to the right. That's going to be on max sound, or you can change the levels to whichever you want. And you can also like turn the video down, which will be your game sound like so, and then that will change how the sound comes out of your earphones, headphones, or through your TV on your PlayStation 5. So that's how it's done in this little section where it says sound here. So leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.